Welcome to Rhett and Ross Trading Journey. This is going to be an introduction to basic technical analysis. Every market is going to use these candlesticks and most of the patterns and trends that I'm about to go over. So let's go ahead and dive in. The Dojis, what they're going to do is they are going to represent indecision. These are obviously represented by more of a cross shape in regards to the Doji star, the long-legged Doji, and the 4-price Doji. There is no body at all. It is just the open price, the closing price, and the high and lower wicks. There is no body to be seen. Now, with that, what that means is we'll go with the Doji star first. The characteristics of this are going to be a cross shape, very clearly seen here. It has the same open and closing price. It is small and equal in length with the upper and lower wicks. It's going to indicate indecision. I always look for dojis if I'm in an active trade, because once I see that doji, I'm usually thinking that it's time to get out. If I'm on a smaller time frame, then I can know in the back of my mind that there is a possibility of a direction change. Now we have the long-legged doji. What this one does is it's an extended upper wick with the extended lower wick. So kind of like a stretched out doji star. This one is signifying greater validity in the market. So we have the Doji star next to it. That one just shows that the buyers and the sellers couldn't decide who wanted to be in control. Well, when the long-legged Doji comes into motion, that means that there was a lot of price action in that candle, but neither the buyers nor the sellers could decide who wanted control. So it was kind of like a swinging motion. It was swinging back and forth until that very close, and no one won. This also signifies indecision. Then we have I'm going to skip over to the right, the dragonfly doji. This one is going to appear at the bottom of a downtrend. So we like this because it is bullish. That's definitely a good one to look for. It's going to show the rejection of lower prices. So you have the sellers that are trying to push the price down, and this dragonfly doji with the buyers comes along and says, nope, we are stopping the price here. We are going to go up, which is good. We like this. It's going to change the direction of the trend. Then we have the gravestone doji right next to it. This is going to be the opposite of the dragonfly. It's going to appear at the top of an uptrend, and it's going to show the rejection of higher prices. This is definitely a bearish signal, and it's going to show a change in direction as well. And last but not least, we have our 4-price doji. This one right here is sometimes called ultimate indecision. It is a horizontal line with a extremely small upper and lower body wick. This here is a very unique pattern. It shows indecision and low validity. So it's basically the opposite of the long-legged doji. Now with this, you have the doji family. Once you're able to see those movements, you can start to trade better. You learn to think on the fly. Please let me know if I didn't cover anything that you might want to know about. I can definitely cover it later on. I plan on doing more videos soon.